Hey friends, my name is Sahid. I am here to help you 5 of those tips which really help me. Right now I am going to share with you. Let's start from first one. Speak slowly. There, there is no point rushing your words. You can see me, I space out every single word. You don't need to prove anyone. You don't need to rush prove anyone I can be fluent. I can be good at English. You should not need to speak like love, 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 love. You should space out every single word. Whatever you are thinking, try to speak in appropriate manner. Take your time, take deep breath and space out your every single word. Speak slowly. You should not need to focus on your partner. How is your partner is speaking? Try to focus on your potential. If you speak slowly, it's okay. Space out your every word. Don't need to rush. Don't need to rush to prove anyone I can be good at English. Let's move the next one. Observe those speaker you admire. Observe those few people whose English you like. When I was in ninth or 10th grade, I liked English of my Junaid sir and the BN sir. I like way of speaking of my teachers. And we can say both teacher is inspirational for me. I like my teacher English because my teacher speak English in a very simple way. So try to observe few people whose English you like and try to speak like that people. If you will follow him, definitely you will do good. My teacher always try to speak very simple English. My teachers always try to convey his thoughts in a very simple manner. I like posture of word of my teachers, and I am always try to speak like English of my teacher. So I will tell you, try to find out those speakers whose English you really like. Now I will talk about third tips. Use new vocabulary. Use new vocabulary every day. Whatever you are learning every day, try to use tomorrow. If you will do same thing, definitely your mind will full with treasure of vocabulary. I am going to share my personal experience. Whenever I see new vocabulary, new word, first of all, I try to make sentence. I try to make at least 5 sentences, and I try to use forcefully while my conversation with my friends. This is a really effective way. If you are learning every day 10 vocabulary, 10 new words, if you won't use, after certain period of time, you will automatically forget. This thing I realized, and I am telling you, whatever you are learning today, use tomorrow, use overmorrow, use again and again. If you will use again and again and try to make sentence at least 5 or 10, then automatically that particular vocabulary will fit in your mind and you won't forget. Now I will talk about 4 tips. Take time out of practice. Speak every day. I don't pay lots of attention reading, writing, and listening. Of course, reading, writing, and listening is a side of creation. But whatever you are thinking, if you won't deliver in appropriate manner, then it's everything is useless. So you should focus on speaking instead three instead reading, writing, and listening. Forcefully try to speak with your friend. Try to search English environment and don't fear for speak English. I wanna tell you my personal experience. I was watching lots of video, I was listening song in English, I was watching news, but I was unable to speak English 3 or 4 years ago because I was not practiced with anyone. My mind was full with treasure of word meaning. I know each and everything. I know grammar's rules. I know each and everything. But that time I couldn't speak. One day I watched YouTube video related to English, and that thing was changed my life. And then after I try to speak more and more instead of reading, writing, and listening. Of course, you are listening. Correct. Please try to speak more and more instead of other activity if you wanna to become fluent in English. If you won't speak, you can't become fluent. No one will help you. Only we can help yourself. Now I will talk about last tips. Substitute environment. Shahrukh Khan and Gauri Khan says setting is everything. So try to substitute your local language. Try to substitute Hindi language and try to watch English news. Try to listen English song. Try to substitute English instead of your regional language, instead of your local language, because setting is everything. This is my personal experience. I am try to watch everything in English. I am trying to watch movie in English. I am trying to watch news in English. Because if you want to learn everything, you should put your more effort. If you are thinking it's like a piece of cake, so no, it's not like a cup of tea. You should put your more effort. Substitute your environment. Try to expose yourself in English environment. If you will do this type of activity, I am pretty sure if you will keep consistency, automatically you will become fluent in English. You will become good at English. So like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon